Hello guys, how are you? Well, this storm is really kicking in with rain now. Why I'm saying this, check out the quick tips below and you will understand. I am doing a mini journey here with some quick tips, so I'm recording a bunch of quick tips in a row. It's really stormy outside, so I'm doing here some work to you to enjoy. So today we are talking about these parts here. What the hell are these parts that you should remove on your modern multi-jet engine, mainly? We will talk about this in a minute. You may have noticed on the modern multi-jet engines, mainly the Fiat Punto, for example, the Fiat Oblò, the plastic battery tray has this limiter on the battery. Why is that, and why should you remove immediately this limiter here? So, as you may know by now, the multi-jet engines with age tend to have a very difficult start, impossible or difficult start. For that, I have a link here, up here, for really the tutorials for that. But I want to give you a quick tip here about these limiters here. It's just a piece of plastic. It's just curious to know this. So when the car is new, everything is new, of course, and the start of the multi-jet engines are very nice. The 1.3, 1.6, 1.9, 2.0 and 2.4 have really nice starts when they are new. So the factory decided to fit smaller batteries when the cars are new, because it is enough for the cars. And if they used a bigger battery, they will be losing money on the assembly. If you multiply this for thousands and thousands of cars, they will be losing a lot of money. So the recommendation is, between the dealership and the factory, we have some communication that is outside the normal circles of information. And the factory says, when the factory battery goes dead, you have to upgrade the battery size and power. You have to upgrade it for the biggest size you can fit on the battery tray. So once your battery is gone, you should remove the limiter, if it is still there, okay? And you should use the bigger battery, the best bigger battery you can fit on the battery tray. Now, you don't really have a limit for the size and power of the battery that you can fit on your battery tray. Well, you have, but you can never fit a battery big enough to be limited by that. And the thing is, when the years pass by, the starter becomes more slow. The cables, the big cables that go to the starter, they already are warmed up, and the flow of energy is much less. So you have a worse start of your multi-jet engines. For that, again, I have the link up here to really show you how to diagnose and how to solve and how it works, the slow start or no start for the multi-jet engine. So this is just a quick tip to show you here why should you remove this as soon as your battery goes bad. And you should use a battery that is at least, it is not very easy to find, but they exist, 70 amp hours and 700 cold cranking amps. If you use the two-door, the Bosch and the Varta with the blue top, the numbers that they have on top to show you the power of the battery, those numbers are not very nice. Because those numbers, even though they may be true when the battery is new, 1 year later they are very low. Those batteries with the blue top are a very low quality. You can purchase those same brands, but the casing must be either black or silver. Those batteries, the silver ones, are really good and really much more expensive, because once again, they are really good. So the silver batteries, the Varta Silver, is really a nice battery. And as I said on the videos about the cranking, the slow start or no start is very important for the other vital parts of your starting and charging. I hope you like this quick tip here. I hope you are liking this mini journey that I'm doing here on this storm. For that, check out on the playlist for the quick tips the entire videos that I did for this journey. And as I'm doing here on these quick tips, I will give you some teaser about the next quick tip. It is about water pumps. What do you have to know about water pumps, how to maintain correctly your water pump for many years, or miles, or kilometers. See you next time, guys. I hope you can appreciate this work, this effort that I'm making. I hope you can share with your friends, hit the like button, and consider subscribe. Also, on the description below, there is a lot of information that can be useful for you. For example, playlists that I said here, some videos that are corresponding with this quick tip, and helps for the channel. See you next time, guys. Bye.